Focus is dead in Gen Z. And no, it's not just social media that's to blame. Something much deeper is eating away at your brains. We are a generation of mental overload. Notifications, messages, reels, emails. Our brains weren't built for this much data. Goldfish. Just 8 seconds. But why? Constant pings, non-stop scroll, endless dopamine. Our brains are drowning in noise. Designed for so many notifications, endless scrolling, and information overload. We're living with a brain built for the hunting age, not the Instagram age. In Generation Z is not completely lost yet. It can still be saved, but listen carefully, not with simple advice or old tricks. No, that won't work anymore. The real key is brain hacking, smart, targeted, and scientific. That's how focus comes back, stronger than ever. First, artificial dopamine. Every time you scroll, your brain gets a reward, but not a real one. A fake reward. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Every click, every view, every like is like a dose of artificial dopamine. Your brain gets used to these quick rewards, to the point where it can no longer cope with the real world. Studying? Boring. Focusing? Impossible, because your brain thinks it should get a reward just by scrolling. You taught it. Second, lack of deep sleep. A brain without deep sleep is like a computer that never restarts. You might be in bed for 8 hours, but if your mind is occupied by blue light, notifications, or distracting thoughts, it doesn't reach deep sleep. Third, multitasking, the silent killer of focus in Generation Z. Every time you switch between apps, your brain pays a price. It resets, loses momentum, and burns energy. Step 1. Turn off the sources of rapid dopamine. That means no TikTok, no Instagram, no endless scrolling. Your brain isn't broken, it's just overwhelmed. Just 24 hours without social media, and your focus starts coming back. It's not easy, but it's the beginning of change. Step 2. Rebuild Gen Z's sleep routine. Your brain heals when you sleep, not while you scroll. So at 10 p.m., lights off, screens off, silence on. Melatonin needs darkness. No blue light, no chaos, just real rest. This is how your brain resets and focus. Step 3. Practice 30 minutes of deep focus. That means no phone, no background noise, no switching tabs. Just you and one single task. Set a timer. Let your brain sink in. It's not about doing more. It's about staying with less. And this is how real Gen Zers are the ones who have rewired their minds. Not with advice, but by hacking their brains, creating routines, and turning off artificial dopamine. The ones who have rediscovered focus in the midst of this chaos. They are creating the future from within their own minds. Focusing is a skill, not a talent for Gen Z. You grew up in a world where you can't let go of your attention for a moment. Scrolling, notifications, noise, light, constant distractions. But the brain is rewirable. If you know how to build focus, then everything is in your hands. You too could be a different Gen Z, the one who decides what to see, what to hear, and what to think. Not a victim of notifications, not a slave to scrolling. Your brain is like a muscle. Train it, rebuild it, and take one step forward every day. Just start now. Focus in Gen Z. Maybe gone, but it's not dead yet. Your brain still has the same power. It's just filled with distractions. Every notification, every click, every sound steals a piece of your focus. But the good news is that you can rebuild it. Slowly, every day with small choices. Less scrolling, more silence. Less conflict, more presence. Focus is a skill, not a talent. And you can get it back. You just have to start. If you feel like it's time to take back your focus, it's time to separate the noise of your mind from the noise of the outside world. It's time to sit quietly in the middle of this hustle and bustle and come back to yourself. So right now, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who still has hope. Because there are still brains waiting to wake up, and you can be one of those who start this wave. Focus is not just a skill. It's a statement. It's a conscious choice. And it starts right now with you.